Want to learn a new language but can't choose between Preply and Duolingo? Let's break down which one works best for you. Duolingo is like a fun game on your phone. You get colorful lessons, earn points, and compete with friends. It's completely free and covers over 90 languages. Perfect if you're just starting out and want to learn basic words and phrases without spending money. But here's the catch with Duolingo. You'll see lots of ads unless you pay $7 a month. The lesson can get boring because they repeat the same stuff, and you won't get much speaking practice with real people. Now Preply is totally different. It connects you with real human teachers from around the world. You get one-on-one lessons over video chat. There are over 40,000 teachers for 27 languages. You can pick teachers based on price, where they live, and what they specialize in. Preply costs between $4 and $40 per hour, depending on your teacher. More expensive? Yes, but you get personal attention. Your teacher adapts to how you learn and helps with speaking, which is super important for actually using the language. So which should you pick? If you're brand new to languages and want to try learning for free, start with Duolingo. It's great for building basic vocabulary and getting familiar with how the language sounds and looks. But if you already know some basics or you really want to speak the language well, go with Preply. Nothing beats practicing conversations with a real teacher who can correct your mistakes and explain things clearly. The truth is, many successful language learners use both. They practice daily basics on Duolingo and take weekly conversation lessons on Preply. What matters most is picking something you'll actually stick with and use every day. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.